Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most popular and powerful SEO tools out there, SEMrush. Specifically, we'll compare the Pro, Guru, and Business plans for 2025 to help you pick the perfect fit for your unique needs. If you want to follow along and explore the features yourself, grab your free trial from the link in the description below. Risk-free and easy. Let's start with the SEMrush Pro plan. At $139.95 per month. It's a budget-friendly option for bloggers, freelancers, or small business owners just beginning their SEO journey. This plan provides all the essentials, like robust keyword research, competitor analysis, and comprehensive site audits. You'll get access to manage 5 projects simultaneously, track up to 500 keywords, and generate basic but insightful reports. If you're running a single website or a small client portfolio and want actionable SEO insights without overwhelming complexity, this is your go-to plan. Now let's level up and talk about the Guru plan, priced at $249.95 monthly. If your business is growing or you're part of a small digital marketing team or consultancy, this plan hits the sweet spot. You get 15 projects, keyword tracking for up to 1,500 keywords, and advanced tools that significantly upgrade your SEO strategy. Guru includes essential historical data, powerful content marketing features, enhanced reporting capabilities, and access to the content optimization tools that marketers love. The Guru plan offers excellent value and capabilities if you're heavily into content creation, blogging, or running multiple targeted campaigns. Finally, we have a robust business plan at $499.95 per month. Built for agencies, established marketing teams, and larger enterprises. If you want to dominate SEO for multiple clients or large-scale campaigns, the business plan packs a real punch. It allows you to handle 40 projects, track up to 5,000 keywords, gain API access, and use extended reporting limits. Additionally, you'll benefit from the exclusive share of voice metrics and detailed competitive intelligence. The business plan provides the depth and detail required when managing extensive campaigns, multiple clients, or needing precise and comprehensive insights, empowering you to take your SEO to the next level. Here's a quick summary to help you choose. But before that, let's take a look at a comparison table of the Pro, Guru, and Business plans for 2025. Pro plan. This plan is ideal for beginners, single websites, freelancers, or small businesses that need essential, easy-to-use SEO tools. Guru plan, perfect for growing businesses, multiple websites, marketers, or content creators who need deeper insights and historical data. Business plan, best for agencies, enterprises, and large teams managing extensive SEO campaigns, needing advanced competitive insights and high-level reporting. Remember, the best way to see if SEMrush meets your needs is by trying it out yourself. Click the link in the description below to start your free trial today. No commitment, just powerful insights waiting for you. And remember, it's completely risk-free, so you can explore the features with peace of mind. Thanks for watching. In the comments, let me know which SEMrush plan you're considering, or if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more in-depth SEO and digital marketing content. Happy optimizing, and I'll catch you in the next video.